going to this Japanese thrift store in Thailand right next to my house. So we're gonna find some bottles. I probably haven't done this in a long time, like since 5 years ago. So we're gonna go check it out, see what we can find, bring it back to the house, and drill the bottle with my kit. So they're doing construction right now for Kanchanaburi, the town I live in right now, and it's super hectic right now. There's fucking so many cars everywhere. And people, I'll say, Thailand has one of the worst drivers. Wherever I've driven, this is the worst for sure. Thailand's the worst. All these countries I've been to, this is the worst. But I love Thailand people, so it's cool. I'm not gonna lie, I can't pronounce the name of that thrift store, so we'll just call it Japanese thrift store. Two bottles pretty sick. I think I might buy one of these, and I'm gonna buy maybe two more and see what we can find. Holy teacups. Do you see this shit right here? Super beautiful, but there's so many teacups and like sake cups here. But why do Japanese people always have the best shit? Always super like nice craftsmanship. Except for that's plastic. We're gonna check out this other section and see if we can find another vase. I'll probably try to grab like between 2 and 3 and see what I can find. Look what I found right here. Holy shit. Look at this jet. Bro. Straight from Japan. This thing's so fucking sick. I'm gonna have to take this home and buy this. So I think I found my second one. This one right here. This is pretty cool. I like the design. So I'm gonna go back home and turn this to a bong with my kit. Alright, first things first. You're gonna grab that rubber drill guide and you're gonna stick it 1 to 2 inches above the bottom of the vase or the glass bottle that you choose. Make sure when you're sticking that rubber drill guide on, you push it on there real firmly. Next, you're going to grab that diamond drill bit and insert it into the drill, and then insert the diamond drill bit into the water, and then you're going to drill in the center of the rubber drill guide. Make sure to do it all flat and have a steady hand when drilling so you can have a nice hole. After you completely drilling the hole, you're going to take that rubber drill guide and you're going to take up the bottle or vase and toss that shit to the side. Now I won't lie, when I took that rubber grommet, that was a pain in the ass to do because I didn't realize how thick the vase was, so I had to get all that good old screwdriver out and crank the shit out of that thing until I got it around. And for the finale, you're going to grab that L stem, dip that in some water so you can lubricate it, and insert it into the rubber grommet. Next, you're going to take that bowl and insert into the L stem, and now you got a sweet piece.